Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove credit card from Shopify. If you don't want to spend through your credit card and you want to remove it, then I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to open up your Shopify app and then you will see this settings option at the left bottom. You have to click onto it. After that, the settings will open and you will find many different options. On the left side, you can see we have bunch of options listed. From all these options, you have to click on this first one, which is called the billing. So just simply click on to the billing. As you go into the billing, there you will see your listed debit or credit card. You just have to simply click onto it, and further you will see your card number. Actually, once you click onto it, it will ask you to replace your card and not to delete it. The reason is that if you have any sort of ongoing subscription, you have a plan or anything through which you pay, during that you would not be able to delete or remove your credit card. But if it is very much necessary, so what you can do, you can just simply replace it with another card. But if you don't want to replace it, you want to delete or remove it, in that case you have to cancel your ongoing subscription, and if there are any dues that you have to pay, it will just deduct from your account and then you will be able to remove your card. So for that reason, you can go to the plan and then you can just simply cancel it up. Once you cancel it up, then you will be able to remove it, and the option we saw replace, you will see the option to remove or delete, and you will be able to do it. So that's how you will be able to remove your credit card from Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.